Hi there.
My name is Denny. I'm the Northeast Sales Manager for JESCO Lighting. I'm here to talk to you today about JESCO's latest specification grade low voltage LED flexible light strip, built to be the start and end all of all LED strips, the OMNI. Now the OMNI is really cool. It's one of my favorite lights. The OMNI has every key feature a lighting specifier or designer can want. It comes equipped with a 1-bin 2-Step MacAdam LED chip with a 95 CRI full spectrum. This means that R values from 1 to 15 will have the highest achievable ratings. The OMNI tape's R9 value is one of the highest in the industry. Another one of my favorite R values is the R15, which is Asian skin. If your palm produce a red, the R9 can achieve really well against the R15, and that's how you really see how well this LED can render. Its precision cut LED design means that you can shorten this tape by the dial. With multiple lumen packages from 1 watt per foot to 7, and multiple color options from 1800 to 5000, with termination options featuring JESCO's crystal connector, you can terminate, put lead cables, assemble with zero soldering in the field, cove lighting, architectural, mood lighting, hospitality, under cabinet, or just general lighting. You can be sure OMNI tape will rise to the challenge.